guys, welcome back to another vid. Today I have my friend here, and we're gonna play some Bed Wars. So, like and subscribe, comment down in the below, and if you already haven't, push the notification bell, and then you'll get notifications on my videos. So, I've been trying to do two videos every day. So this is the first one today, so let's do this. So when we are going to play, I don't know. Brian, Nuke. So I'm gonna have to do my strategy. Wrong one. I can't tell you. What? So I know what color you are. Fine, I'll tell you. I'm lime. I'm green. You're red. I see you. Blue's at your base. Blue built a bridge. No, yellow's at my base. No, 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 no. No. I'm probably gonna die. Oh my god, my bed is not covered. No, 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 no. I'm dead. He didn't even destroy my bed, so he keeps seeing me respawning. Might actually kill this guy. Oh my god, he's so close to dying. Killed him before he could get to my bed. Hello is still alive, but Akka just killed him. So, Uke? Why? No, we're making a video, remember? Oh, eh. So guys, I have to buy an iron sword, buy some more. I'm doing my awesome tactic, spamming blocks. Guys, you'll get me when I'm done with this, so. I have to use all stuff for this. Oh, why don't I just build over to yellow and then destroy him? So, no blue! Hi, blue. Yuck. Yuck. I killed him. Okay. I'm gonna get a brick ore. Yuck. Oh my god. Nah, yeah, yours did. A lot of people are probably going to be hating in comments saying, you shouldn't be using wool, I know. But I have a tactic. Don't doubt me. So comment down below what you think of this video. Then we can put some right here. No, put some right here. Put some right here. No. Oh no, blue. Blue! No. He's never getting in my pit. What? How? Yuke. Okay. Ryan. So look. This is the last round that we're doing. So, Brian. Should I stop the... We're doing this last game. But Brian. Yes. Don't... Why are you trying to destroy our bed? I'm building up to diamonds immediately. So you have to protect the bed, okay? Got it? Oh, you have a pool. Let me speed build as fast as I can. This is like a lot of people are gonna say like this is not speed building, but it is fast. Okay, so I got the diamonds, making sure no one else comes. Oh, let's go in. So, what are you doing? I just got us 3 diamonds. And then, now I'm going up for Emerald Gen. Get some wood on it. What, Grandma? Oh, no. Okay, Yuke. Our bed is horrible. No, don't. Go back, go back. We're not going for the emeralds. Okay, Yuke. No. 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 Stop. Yuke, we can barely even get out of our base now. Come on, you want to go to emeralds? I'm doing it. Yuke. I'm going to stop the video. Like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye.